Welcome to StudyBricks. In this video, we are going to discuss some of the questions related to Indus Valley Civilization. All the questions which are being discussed here are selectively taken from the previous year competitive exam. So don't skip and watch to the end. Okay, let's start with the first question. How are the streets of cities in Indus Valley Civilization look like? And the options are wide and straight, narrow and unhygienic, slippery, narrow and curved. Okay, and the right answer is wide and straight. The streets of the cities of the Indus Valley civilizations looks like this, and they are wide and are arranged at an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so the right answer is wide and straight. Okay, let's go to the next question. The ruins of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are found on which of the following river bank? Option A Ravi, option B Indus, option C Bees, option D both A and B. Okay, the ruins of Harappa was found at river Ravi, and the ruins of Mohenjo-daro was found at west side of river Indus. So the right answer is option A and B both. Okay. Next question. Which is the script of Indus Valley civilization? Okay. The script means nothing but writings or text. Okay. You have to know which is the script of the Indus Valley civilization. And the options are Tamil, Kasti, unknown, Brahmi. Okay. The script of Indus Valley civilization was unknown. We don't know the exact language. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next question. Which was the only city of the Indus without fortification? Fortification means defensive wall. Okay, we have to find the which city of the Indus without fortification, and the options are Kalibangan, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Sangudaro, and the option is D. Sangudaro does not have a defensive wall. Okay, which was the biggest building in Mohenjo-daro? And the options are Great Bath, Granary, Huge Hall, two-story building. Okay, the biggest building in Mohenjo-daro is Granary, which is 46-meter long and 15-meter wide. Okay, so it is the biggest building in the Mohenjo-daro. Next question. The Great Bath was found at the Harappa, Lothal, Changadaro, Mohenjo-daro. And the right answer is Mohenjo-daro, where the Great Bath was found at. Okay. Next question. Whose statue was an important creation of the people of Indus Valley civilization? And the options are Natraj, Dancing Girl, Buddha, Narasimha. Okay. Option B, Dancing Girl was the statue found in the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, next question. The worship of Mother Goddess was related to with the Aryan civilization, Mediterranean civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization. Mother Goddess was related only in the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, and the right answer is option C. Which one of the following Indus Valley sites is in Pakistan? Okay, Kalibangan, Lothal, Alamgirpur, Harappa. Kalibangan was found in Kalibangan is in Rajasthan. Okay, Lothal is in Gujarat, and Alamgirpur is in Uttar Pradesh, UP. Harappa, and Harappa was found in Pakistan. So the right answer is option D, Harappa. at a place called Lothal, artificial dockyard. Dockyard means here repairing or maintaining shipyard. Was from which civilization? Indus Valley, Mesopotamian, Egyptian, Persian. Indus Valley civilization. And the dockyard was found in the Lothal in Gujarat. Okay. Next question. What was the strength of the Indus economy? Options are agriculture, business, pottery, crockery. Okay. And the right answer is agriculture. The people of the Indus Valley civilization mainly do agriculture as their main occupation. Okay. So it is the strength of their Indus economy. Okay. Next question. Which of the following has not been found in the excavation in terracotta of Indus Valley sites? Options are buffalo, sheep, cow, pig. Okay. The excavation of the Indus Valley civilization has buffalo, sheep, pig, but there is no evidence of cow or any other milk products during the Indus Valley civilization period. So the right answer is option C, cow. Next question. Kalibangan is situated in. Okay, we already know the Kalibangan, which is situated in the Rajasthan. Okay, so the right answer is option C, Rajasthan. The next question. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year. Options are 1935, 1942, 1921, 1922. The Harappan civilization was found in the year 1921. Okay. Match the following: Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibangan, Lothal, Statue of Priest, Fort, Flow Marks, the Great Bath. Okay. And we know the the Great Bath was found in the Mohenjo-daro. Okay. And Harappa, where we found the statue of priest, or we can also call it as the dancing girl, which is made up of copper. Okay. And Kalibangan, we have found the plough marks because they do agriculture as their main occupation. Okay. And Lothal in Gujarat, where we found the dockyard, the place where ships are maintained and repaired. Okay. Mohenjo-daro, Great Bath, Harappa, the statue of priest, Kalibangan, plough marks, Lothal, port. Okay. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to StudyFix for more and more videos. Thank you.